is awful shut. You're good for the parties. You wear the right masks. You're old, but you're still like a lamb in the locker room. You can't buy change with home on the range. You open the suitcase behind your workings to show off the magnum you're definitely king. A comfort of friend, only upstaged in the air by the Uzi machine gun. Does the recoil remind you of sex? Old man, what the hell you gonna kill that? Old time, who you gonna kill next? I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Saw a U.S. Marine and a pile of dirt. I swam in your pools and lay under your palm trees. I looked in the eyes of the Indian who lay on the federal building steps. I threw a rangefinder over the hill, saw the frontline boys popping their pills. Sick of the mess they find on their desert stage, and the bravery of being out of range. Yeah, the question is fixed. Oh man, what the hell you gonna kill next? Old time, who you gonna kill next? Shots and 2 more beers. Sir, turn off the TV set. The war has started on the ground. Just load those laser guided bombs. They're really great for writing rhymes. You're headed to target, away to gain. From bars 3,000 miles away. 3,000 miles away, we play the game with the bravery in our brain. We zap and bang with the bravery in our brain. We straighten the train with the bravery